that 100% fame for 24-hour bonus we had, I supplemented the gold that I saved up. I had well over 1,700, but I have to admit that I've been spending it, and I figure I bring you on to show you the benefits of having saved all of that gold. I'm gonna go into my motorsport, and in honor of the retiring Jimmy Johnson, I'm gonna go in here and I'm upgrading Jimmy. So I'm gonna fully upgrade Jimmy Johnson. As you can see, I actually already started. He's already at level 2. I'm gonna take him all the way up as high as I can get him. Then there's a training. I hate
Elk's my favorite.
Well, I don't think I've ever had elk.
Super nutritious.
So you're out stalking.
And then let's continue. Let's see how high we can get with. I don't really have a lot of Jimmy Johnson points, so let's just take him as high as we can get him. It just feels good to be able to spend this much gold. Well, I guess here I'll just do this last one. I don't have any more. Do I have M? No, I don't have enough M dollars, so I'll just do that, and I'll come in here and I'll finish upgrading my technical director. Man, being able to spend this much gold. You know, I didn't see, I'm going to tell you something that I just did not see coming. Was that 100% fame? I did not see that coming. I tell you, I mean, it's something else to have such a bonus pop up right when I'm shooting for a goal of having saved gold. Because even now, you know what, my next move now, like if you look at my promotion level, I'm up to 564, and all I got to do now is fill in the little last part, and I got another 64 gold, so that'll put me right back over 1,400. I'm not doing too good on the online. I don't know why, but my cars are fully upgraded. I've got two of my airline cars, and then this car here. This is my Monster Hydro car. I don't think I've ever showed off my Monster Hydro car. Let me see if I can find it. It's hard to I don't think you can. I don't even know how this works anymore. Like, I've been in here a couple of times. So here's my Monster Hydro car. So it looks like it busted into a bottle on the front and it's spilling Monster Hydro all over. There's some spilling out the window. And there's a claw mark on the back. Claw marks there on the door with the number 1 and the Monster Hydro logo. So all of my cars that are in this week's online event are fully upgraded, and I've been driving without any assists, but I keep losing. I thought that if I had one of my upgraded cars, I'd win. Now I'm gonna go back in here later and race that Red Bull ring. And also, I don't have this week's car. I have none of these cars that are in here. I put 7 upgrades on this Cadillac, and I am not buying these cars. They're just not on my radar right now. So I have some gold coming. I think I'll do better in the later races. I think I was trying too hard. Hopefully I can get into the E or D level if I concentrate and reduce this 1.871 seconds. I think I can. I just need to straighten out those corners. So I have roughly another 100 gold coming. Plus I'm about to finish in my in my NASCAR event, I only have 9% more to go here. I just have a few more races that I need to finish up. I got a second and third here. I slipped on the last corner and the bot came past me like it had been shot out of a howitzer. It was moving. It was pretty much moving at light speed when it passed me. I could barely see it. But I just wanted to share that with you. I hopefully during the fame event, which I love when those fame events pop up, hopefully you've been able to save yourself some gold. I just spent 300 gold and I still have 1,300. I've never spent 300 gold without going broke before. And I still have some more to do because I want to fully upgrade my Jimmy Johnson driver, but I have some more upgrades to do on my car. So I need to install this. I think I'm gonna install my Daytona. I gotta see where I'm at first. All right, so listen, that's all I have for you, and hopefully you all are having fun with Real Racing 3. Take care.